Hi there, it's Sonia from the Bloom Biz Academy, and today I'm popping on with a quick tip about how to easily add confetti to latex balloons. So I'm going to show you how to make a confetti applicator, and I've got a bit of 21mm PVC pipe which I've cut with a hacksaw to about 12-15 centimeters. And what we need to do is get an 11-inch latex balloon and pop over one end, and this is going to be the end that we're going to put onto the helium tank. I'm just going to slide that right in there. I want to put it up nice and tight, and then to make it airtight we're going to use some electrical tape. And what we need to do is just pop a bit of electrical tape around here. Wrap it around a couple of times. It's much easier when you're not doing it on video. And then we need to pop some just around the end here, because if we don't, when you inflate, this bit will start to expand because the helium will come around the sides. So we're just going to put a bit more electrical tape. I want to try and get it nice and tight on the bottom. So now we've got a nice tight latex bit on the bottom. And just to make sure it's completely airtight, we just take the top part of the balloon, roll it back down over the electrical tape, and then we'll just tape it one more time. And I'll go a little bit further up the tube because this is going to be where it's going to escape. It's going to escape anywhere. So now we've got a pipe with a latex balloon, and we just need to make a little hole in the bottom so that when we put it onto the helium valve, the helium can go through. So with a pair of scissors, you just want to make a little hole, and then we're going to fill this with confetti. Now, I am not the tidiest person to get confetti in it. I'm sure you'll be much better than me, and you can use a funnel. And what I usually do is I usually do it sitting down, and I sort of hold it between my knees. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to try and get it in the tube without getting it everywhere. So they say you can use 4 grams of confetti with an 11-inch latex. I must say I don't measure it out. I literally take about 4 or 5 big pinches of confetti, and I normally have like a little tray underneath and catching it, but I didn't think to get that out before I started the video, so I will be cleaning up afterwards. Now, I use metallic confetti in my latex confetti balloons because you can use tissue confetti, but I find that it sort of crumples a bit and it doesn't sit as well, whereas metallic confetti is much better for that. So my applicator is now full of confetti, and what I need to do now is get my latex balloon we're going to fill up and just put some HIFLOAT. Give the confetti something to stick to, and I don't use the full amount because you've always got some weight in the confetti, so I just use pretty much a pea-sized amount of confetti, HIFLOAT. Try not to drop my confetti all over the table. It's much easier to do this sitting down, so you can sort of hold things between your knees. And then I'm going to spread the HIFLOAT out, and then you just stretch out the neck of your latex balloon and then pop that over the ends of your applicator. So now we've got confetti in here and your HIFLOAT latex there. And then as you press down, just try and rotate the balloon slightly to get it sort of a bit of an even feel. So press down, and then you literally just roll it off the end. And there we have a very quick and easy way to make confetti filled latex balloons. So I hope you find that useful. If you've got another way of doing it which you think is really quick and easy, please do share. I'm always looking for new ways of doing things. But this is probably the easiest way I've found doing this. And I can do this with 11-inch, 16-inch, and I've got a slightly bigger pipe that I use for the 3-foot latex too. Okay, so that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.